Hello there, welcome to this session. Today we're going to be looking at how to create a standard purchase order. So let's get into our easy access screen. So to create a standard purchase order, our transaction code that we're going to use here is ME21N. Press enter. So here is where we put in our vendor purchasing organization company code. So my vendor here, I already have a vendor pre-selected for me. So I'm just going to paste it right there. But you can actually put in your vendor number. Enter. So once again, I have my purchasing organization, purchasing group and company code here given to me by the system because that's how I configured my user parameter settings. So but you can actually put in whatever values you want to use right there for your purchasing organization, purchasing group and company codes. So for my material, I'm going to use material code 2510. This is for my material. All right. My plants here, I'm going to use plants 1100. And the quantity I want to order from my vendor is let's say 100 quantity. So as you can see here, we have my price has already been given to me and my delivery date has already been selected for me because I have maintained a purchasing info record for this vendor and this material. So for you, you might have it empty, you might have it asking you to put in this value, so you can actually just put in whatever values you want to use. So here we have a selection screen option here. You can actually select whatever date you're expecting to receive the material. So if I say check, this is where you check your document to make sure that your document is good to go. And of course, you can actually put in more materials that you want to order from this vendor. So let's say check. I want to check my document to see if everything is good to go. So here it's saying that can the delivery date be made, because the delivery date is very close to my current date. As you can see, this is my date right there. So I would say yes. There's no need for me to play around with that. Or you can actually choose whatever dates. You can actually go further and say, okay, let's say I want to. All right. Let's say I just want to receive this material on this date. Enter. So if you check again, here you have just one warning message here. This is just for output determination, which has not been configured in my system, but we're going to talk about that another time. But the document is good to go. It's just a warning message. We can actually ignore it. All right. And sometimes it's good for us to see all these warning messages and error messages, because when I solve it in the system, when I solve it on the video, you'll be able to understand what's going on. So warning messages and error messages are good for learning. All right. So let's save this document. Save. And there you go. Our purchase order document has been created with this document number. Thank you very much for your time. You have a wonderful rest of your day.